Leaves turning yellow, the tips of your leaves drying up, plants drying up, white spots all over the leaves of your plant. I think the Bangalore winter has gotten to your plants. The winter season in Bangalore is tough on our plants. The sun is too hot during the days and the nights are very cold. The effects of climate change are affecting our gardens too. Now, what to do about this? Mulch is the only way you can take care of your garden. If you have dried leaf waste, cover the top of your soil to prevent excess moisture loss. If you don't have any leaf waste, you can even use cocopeat fibre as a thick layer on the surface of the soil. Take care of your plants this season, just a few more months until summer starts again. If you would like a maintenance-friendly garden, get in touch with us at urbanmali.com. You can also call us at 8804 Your friendly neighborhood gardener is waiting for you.